There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore.
Carrizo Plain is adorned with unique wildflower formations. The yellow and purple wildflowers spread across the vast plain, while the white, red, and purple colors add to the harmony. The Carrizo Plain has been altered only a little by human activity, yet the wildflowers grow in a breathtakingly beautiful way. During my mid-March visit, I expected a super bloom due to the hills covered in wildflowers. When I returned in mid-April, after a month of heavy rainfall, I was amazed by the transformation. Driving along Elkhorn Road in the eastern part of the Carrizo Plain, the sight of the waves of wildflowers is soul-stirring. Fields filled with fiddleneck, goldfields, purple passelia, and old clover swaying in the breeze create an entirely new experience in Carrizo. Families can be seen picnicking on warm spring days on the meadows of Elkhorn Road, while the Soda Lake Road is surrounded by dense bloom of yellow flowers. This year's flower viewing in Carrizo is truly spectacular. At the junction of Route 58 and 7 Mile Road, the entire reach shimmers in yellow, with many people stopping their cars to enjoy the wildflowers. As there are no restaurants or markets near Carrizo Plain, one can sample Mexican food from the taco trucks along Route 33. Overall, my journey through Carrizo was a calm and unforgettable experience that will be cherished for a long time.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by tonight.